Hello everyone and welcome to SOP Academy. In this video we have three off-campus hiring updates. These are big updates. The first company is Cognizant, which is hiring. So for Cognizant, they're hiring for two roles, graduate trainee and engineer trainee. So the eligibility criteria is different for both the roles. It is an infra off-campus drive. So batch of 2019, 2020, 2021 as well as 2022 batch are eligible. You can apply till 31st March 11:59 p.m. So this is the last date, 31st March. The package will depend upon your position. So if you're a graduate trainee, then your package is 2.52 LPA. If you are in an engineer trainee, your package is 4.01 LPA. So for graduate trainee, these streams are eligible: BCA, BSc, BCom, BBA, or any other 3-degree graduation programs. Only undergraduate full-time degrees. So for engineer trainee, this is for engineering students. So package is 4.001 LPA. BE Tech, MEM Tech, MCA, MSc, and MS are eligible from any domain, any branch, any specialization. So it must be a full-time degree. So as you can see, most of the branches and most of the graduations are eligible. So this is a big hiring from Cognizant. Let us look at other details. So they are allowing maximum gap of 3 years. So 3-year gap they are allowing, and only 50% criteria is there in 10th, 12th and undergraduation without any backlogs. So the percentage criteria is also very less for both graduate trainee, and you can see for engineer trainee as well. 3-year gap is allowed, up to 3-year gap allowed, and only 50% criteria in 10th, 12th and graduation. So you can apply by clicking on apply now. This is a superset registration. The second company is Tata Technologies. They are hiring for two batches, 21 and 2022. The position for which they are hiring is GET, that is graduate engineer trainee. So eligible candidates will be invited to take 60 minutes online proctored aptitude test. So there will be an aptitude test. It will be 1-hour test based on your qualification and stream. So depending upon your branch and all, they will take your test. Then this is the eligibility criteria. BE BTech are eligible with no active backlogs and no more than 1 year gap. So 1 year gap is allowed, and 60% is the percentage criteria in 10th, 12th and graduation. These are the streams which are eligible: computer science, information technology, mechanical, electrical and automobile. So only shortlisted candidates meeting above eligibility will get further process. Now this is the form. Enter your personal details and all. You can enter the details and click on submit. The last company is Tata Elxsi. They are also conducting off-campus drive for 2021 and 2022 batch. So let us look at the other details. There will be an 2-hour online proctored test, which will comprise of verbal, analytical, coding MCQs and coding, which will be informing you well in advance. So this is the eligibility criteria 2021 and 2022 batch. BE BTech, MEM Tech, MS, MC and MSc are eligible with no backlogs. Total 1 year of gap is allowed. So you should not have gap more than 1 year. The minimum percentage criteria is 60% in 10th, 12th and graduation as well. So these are the streams which are eligible: computer science, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, instrumentation, information science. So many branches, data science, and all are eligible. So you can see your stream here and apply. So only those who have not taken the test in last 6 months are eligible and meet the above eligibility criteria can apply. So if you have applied in 6 months and then you are again applying, then your registration will be disqualified. This is the registration form. This is similar to the Tata Technologies form. At last you will click on submit and your form will be submitted. So I hope these are some big updates. So I will be posting more job updates on this channel, and I have also previously posted many updates. You can check out the other job hirings on the channel and you can apply on them. So that is all for this video. The links for all the three companies are given in the description, and the videos for other hirings are also given. So that is all for this video. See you soon in the next video.